हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल टेक्निकल राजपूत ब्लॉग। आई होप गाइस आप लोग बहुत अच्छे होंगे। तो टुडे आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग अबाउट द एम्फेसिस onboarding न्यूज़. There is an important news regarding the important mail. Many candidates have received the important mail that they have just joining of like that having the some candidate have received the mail of the 23rd May and 24th May. Not many candidates, but some candidate have received the onboarding. There is an information regarding the instruction and the good news for the candidate who have just joining before the exam. So just this is the good information from the company side, like that having the information. So guys, please subscribe my channel Technical Rajput blog and press the bell icon for notifications. So guys, this is the mail received by the candidate that dear candidate, if your friend and classmate have received the onboarding template and you have not received, please do not panic. We are onboarding in batches and will connect with you for a different batch. Onboard template, you will receive your template request campus hire emphasis. Once your date of joining is finalized, reply to the email and receive the template and document request from the data they were requested. For any further query can be asked on this email ID. So guys, they have just mentioned the email ID of the campus hire @emphasis.com. So you can just further any information you want to come information from the company side, so you can contact from their ID. So guys, if your friends like having the receive the date of joining, like having the in a campus there are the 4 to 7 student, out of the 4 to 7 there are 2 and 3 student who receive the date of joining, and but your the friend did not receive the date of joining, like that having the many cases from the south side. So guys, don't panic, the situation is going to be handled, but the condition is going to be that they need the batches, they need the employer, they need the fresher, how many candidates they want to need for the project, so they will contact soon. Like that offer letter and onboarding link, you will receive an offer letter documentation link and bond submission to mail 2 days before your onboarding. On the day of onboarding, please expect the onboarding link to be sent anytime between the 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. Please avoid sending an email asking for the link. If you haven't received the link, that means guys that you have received the link of the bond submission document submission 2 days before the onboarding. Like they're having candidate having the joining on onboarding having the possibility of 23rd May, there are many candidates, so they will receive the 21st May about the link of their submission of a document, and the time should be the 8 a.m. to guys 1 p.m. This is the time where you can submit your all the information what the company want to need in an email. And there will be a location your offer letter and would be the mention you have a travel to the location for the training, but currently be planned to our online training, so do not plan any travel to the location. So guys, this is the information where you will get the condition will be the planning will be the offline, not there will be a online. Many like having the they will be starting the candidature profile also, like having their joining on a training location will be no mention in that, understand guys? So only the situation improve, you will be required to travel classroom training and further instruction after that. Mismatch in the date of joining, in some cases the date of joining of onboarding template and the offer letter might be different. It might be due to various reasons such as documentation delay, validation or backend issue. Please do not panic, we will reach out and address issue. Do not write the multiple email or spam mail for him. The date of offer letter can be considered as the actual date of joining. So guys, don't be a panic in a situation like that having your date of joining will be delayed or something having the problem like that, so mismatch of a date of joining, so there will be a change, no issue will be found there. Declining or non-eligibility, if you are not interested in joining us, kindly reply the onboarding mail with regard of the same, so another candidate does not miss out this opportunity. We are currently only hiring fresher. If you are working in a different organization, your LOI will remain valid. Kindly avoid negotiation and salary asking for the extension of onboarding date. So guys, this is the information where you will get information like that, having the if you are joining in another organization, if you don't want to join this organization, then you can be reply with the mail. Documentation link and onboarding link, you will receive documentation link acceptance of offer letter. The offer letter has a accept offer letter. If you fail to accept the offer letter gets automatically cancelled by the system. You will onboarding link only when your document validation is completed. If there is a many miss documentation, receive the onboarding link, the mail asking on missing document, something like that having not filled with by the your side, then will be the offer letter will be the cancel guys, understand? Mandatory document, final mark sheet card, passport, Aadhaar, PAN card, that you had get information from my other video also what would you want to need in a documentation process, like that all the document like PAN card, Aadhaar card or something like a copy, immediately you can submit the passport copy after receiving it. If you don't receive, then after that you can receive. If the mailbox is full, this happened due to the multiple email being sent from a one candidate, please send all your document in one mail email. Avoid sending multiple queries. If you have sent your template will be get back to you. If the mailbox is full, do not send your template to any other email ID. Try resending after a day. All query must be sent to the campus higher mailbox communication, and it should not made to the mailboxes like that. If our pointer do not resolve a query, please business days offer a reason. We do not work on a Saturday and Sunday. Can you expect the response Monday for any query asked during the weekend or a late Friday of the evening? So guys, I'm just requesting you get the information from the company side. Don't mail send to the company mail like it having Saturday, Sunday, or even also in a Friday. You send the email in a like that having the Monday. So you will get all the information from this video, guys. What do you want to need, or what is don't situation is going to be handled, or like batches of all the documentation process and the offer letter of acceptance and LOI. So guys, I think you will get information from this video. If you don't have any query regarding the information from the like that onboarding or something, you can comment on my comment section also, guys. I will solve all the problem if I have any information regarding that. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please hit the bell button and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan.